Window shades do more than just cover your windows. They help set the mood, control light, and add privacy to every room. With so many types to choose from, how do you know which is right for your space? Roller shades are a go-to for their sleek look and easy customization, fitting seamlessly into any modern room. Solar shades are perfect for sun-filled spaces where you want to cut glare but keep your view. If energy efficiency is a priority, cellular shades insulate your home and help with noise reduction. For larger windows or sliding doors, vertical cellular shades offer the same benefits with a different orientation. Zebra shades stand out with their bold, adjustable design, letting you control light and style. And for timeless elegance, Roman shades bring warmth and a tailored look. Consider your needs for privacy, light, and style to find your perfect match. Explore all the different types of window shades at Stoneside and find the right style for your home.